QuickBooks Self-Employed provides the perfect tools to get the client to the next level of organizing their finances and getting everything straight. It caters to that particular client. I am not going to graduate them to a fancy online product with chart of accounts and liabilities and assets because I will lose them, guaranteed. But if I kind of walk them through it and say, look, let's start with maybe something simple.
Intuit rolled out a new product called QuickBooks Self-Employed, and we were curious about it. I had an admin staff that came on who understood the product, who used to drive Uber. She understood the needs of that group of subcontractors, I guess you'd say, and they wouldn't be able to afford to meet with us one-on-one. So we offer classes and have them come in for some training, a Q&A, and then have them sign up for the product underneath us. And now we're working with a group of realtors doing the same thing. Teach them how to use the product, how to use the mileage tracker, and then they'll have financials to give to their tax preparer at year end.
QuickBooks Self-Employed is very basic, very simple. My personal philosophy is you don't need to get fancy.